How to delete ChatGPT history. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete your ChatGPT history. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first, open up any browser on your phone and then search for ChatGPT. Then go to the ChatGPT website. Then here tap on try ChatGPT. Now wait for it to load. Then tap here to verify you are a human. Now once you are on ChatGPT, make sure you are signed in. So then after you sign in, here you have to tap on the three lines in the top left corner, and here you will see your history. So if you want to delete one by one, you can tap on the history or tap on the conversation, and then here tap on delete, and then tap on check to confirm. And now that specific conversation is deleted. If you want to delete all of your conversations, tap on clear conversations, then tap on confirm clear conversations and wait for a few seconds. And if the conversation is not deleted, refresh your browser and the conversation and all history will be deleted. And so this is how you can delete ChatGPT history. Thanks for watching.